SendPulse CRM allows you to create documents without using third-party services, right from a deal, contact, or task card. This saves managers time, minimizes errors, and automatically imports all the necessary data. Let's look at how to create a document in the CRM. You can do this using a template. To use this feature, you first need to prepare a template and then upload it to the system. Select the card for the deal, contact, or task you need. Go to the Documents tab. Click the Create Document button. In the window that appears, you can immediately see a list of fields for the deal, contact, or task respectively. Copy the variables the system suggests. Add the variable that corresponds to the name of the field from the deal, contact, or task to your file. A new document will be generated based on this information with the data automatically replaced. To upload your file, fill in the name field up to 200 characters for the document that will be created after the file is uploaded to the CRM. Select the File Manager panel will open, where you can upload your prepared document with the variables. Choose the folder you need and click Upload Files. You can also upload the file to your storage in the File Manager tab. Select the folder you want to save it to. Click the Create button. To view the document, you need to open the deal, contact, or task card and go to the Documents tab. The uploaded files will be shown with the document's name, its generation status, created in progress or not created, and the date and time of generation. To manage your documents, click the three dots next to the document you need and select a function. Send. You can send the document if you have an email integration. View document. Download to your device. Unlink the document from the deal, contact, or task. Delete the document. The document management feature in SendPulse CRM is a way to save time, avoid confusion, and keep all your commercial documentation in one place. You can quickly generate documents based on templates, automatically import the necessary data from deals, contacts, or tasks, and send them to clients immediately.